Hello everyone, this is Nazala Hossain from Second Literacies. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most confusing tasks of the IELTS reading test, which is commonly known as the true, false or not given task. Here, all you have to do is actually identify the information correctly. Now, a statement given in the question can be considered true if it matches with any of the information given in the passage. On the other hand, if that statement contradicts with the information given in the passage, it would be false. Lastly, if the statement that is given in the question is not included in the passage, then we can say that this statement is not given. But if you're still very confused about all these, it's alright. We're going to go through an exercise together which will help you understand this task better. We're going to read a text. This text is much more shorter than the real IELTS reading texts. However, this text will help you understand the structure of the task clearly. Now let's read the text. Roses have small thorns on their stem to protect themselves. The rose plant grows in the form of shrubs. A rose plant has round and deep colored leaves. The unique fruit of the rose plant is called rose hip. The petals of the rose are dried and packed so to use them for scent. Below this passage, there are 3 statements given. Now we have to identify if the following statements are true, false, or not given in the passage. Let's read the first statement. It says, roses defend themselves through thorns. Now, this statement is true because in the first line of the passage, it stated that roses have small thorns on their stem to protect themselves. So this line and the statement actually convey the same message. Therefore, this statement is true. Now, let us look at the second statement. It says the leaves of this plant are usually rectangular in shape. Let's look for this information in the passage. Can you find it? In the second line of the passage, it is said that a rose plant has round and deep colored leaves. So according to this passage, a rose plant is supposed to have leaves which are round in shape and not rectangular. Therefore, we can say that the second statement contradicts the information given in the passage. So the statement is false. Let's move forward and read the last statement. The rose petals are commonly used in herbal medicine. Now, is this statement given in the passage? It is not. The passage contains no information regarding this statement. There is no mention of herbal medicine anywhere in the passage. So, we can say that this statement is not given in the passage. Now, I'm going to talk about some tips and strategies to do well in this reading task. One of the significant strategies that you need to remember while doing this task is that the answers will always be in order. Now, imagine you have found the answer to the question number 4 from the passage and you're looking for the answer to the question number 5, but you cannot find it. However, you can see the answer to the question number 6 right after the answer to the question number 4. This means that the answer to the question number 5 is actually not given in the passage, as the answers are supposed to be in order. The next strategy that you should know is looking for synonymous words and expressions. Usually, the information which matches with the information given in the question are expressed through synonymous words. So, it's important to look for synonymous words and expressions to find out if a statement is true or not. And the last tip would be underlining the keywords. Underlining keywords will not only help you in identifying the information better, but it will also help you in being more focused in the task. And that is all. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope that now you can understand this task much better.